I started, 11K ang aking monthly salary noon before. 11K.
Talaga?
Ang take home ko noon would be, siguro mataas na yung ano, mataas na yung 5. Siguro mga 4 or 5K every 15-30 years.
And this
Imagine.
is city rate, hindi siya provincial?
Pasig to, Ortigas to, Ortigas.
Oh, really?
Mm. Yeah. That's my first ever BPO company. And then, when I moved to Convergys, sabi ako, Convergys, ako, ang laking company ito, baka mataas sweldo dito, right?
Oo.
Ang sweldo ko noon was 13,750 pesos.
Iba bongga nga.
Nung na-regular naman ako, tinaasan din naman ng Convergys, naging 15,000.
Ah.
So, ang entry level before, siguro 15,000. There are other companies that are paying less before, not just na 15. So, when you get to Convergys, malaki na. Right? And then siguro a few years later, yung ibang company has, again, 15 rate pa rin ang offer namin sa Convergys. And this is already I'm already on my 9 or 10th years with Convergys. And we're still
Hmm.
offering the same 15K sa mga agents. While
Ay,
other companies are already paying 30,000 for that same position. Same program. Right?
okey.